Hello everybody, we are going to be playing Forza Horizon 3 with Blizzard Mountain, and we are going to we're going to upgrade the Nissan Titan Lawyer concept. This thing has snow tires and we are on Blizzard Mountain. I know we have not talked a lot about Blizzard Mountain. If you want to know more, go to Tomcats 9.
Guide for Gabriel Bunny 891. Friends tab.
That
1 online. 2 of 8. Selected.
His gamer tag his YouTube channel is TOM
700. Offline. 8 of 9.
His
level 2.
His YouTube channel is Tomcat 9700. So go look at him if you want more about Blizzard Mountain. But we are going to upgrade the Nissan Titan Lawyer concept. So let's see what they have for designs. How they have an ambulance. You know what? No. Wait, no, I didn't mean to back out. I'm going to keep the stock color because I like the stock color that is on it. And then later in another episode, I'm going to do a wrap video. All about me wrapping this and doing really cool things with the wrap. So this is a Cummins with a Cummins is its engine, which I guess it's a Cummins. I see videos with Titan Lawyer with the Cummins. So I guess it comes with the Cummins. Not for sure, but I think so. No, thank you. No, I want to make this look like a normal truck, actually. So 365s in the front. Oh my, 385s in the back. That is ridiculous. Whoa, that is ridiculous. I guess there's a glitch where this would add 4,757 pounds to this car, which I don't know how, but please fix it. Turn 10, fix it now, please. I would like it very much. So now that we're done with the argument with turn 10, let's do this. I'm gonna keep the stock. Take out 1,000 pounds. Now we're gonna upgrade the whole engine. This is funny. It says race diesel injection. So that's weird. Whoa! That just put on 421 horsepower. And we are topping out at 813 horsepower. Oh my. 1,455 feet-pounds of torque. 5,000 pounds, and you can do the rest yourself. So that's the lawyer. We're going to go drive it around and go mess around. Modify car, setup please. Thank you. And we're going to have sound in this video, so you're going to be able to hear the sound of the car if this will load. Dang it. Off, please. Oh yeah, it sounds like a Cummins for sure. Hey look, there's Dylan's gamer tag. Yo, Dylan. Whoa. I needed to tune this badly. Wrong thing. Tune car. Gearing. I need to make every single one longer. I don't care about top speed. I care about what my gears are like. So this can hurt my gearing really bad, or can help my gearing really good. And I don't care which one it does. And I tried using the steering wheel today, but that did not work. So I'm just using the Forza controller, if you guys can see that. I'm using the Forza controller. It came with the Forza Xbox One edition, which I love. Now I'm going to give you guys a little rev. Now I'm going to set, oh. No, I do not want to go back to Byron Bay. We are going to go to... We're going to go to the snow park, which is this little track. Oh, another Titan. Man, this thing gets so much traction in the snow. I don't care about roads. I'm just gonna take this. And here's a jump. Whoa. That's higher than I thought. Look at this thing. It's just climbing. Uh-oh. It's just climbing this thing. And at the end of the video, we're gonna have... Ooh, dropping. And at the end of the video, we're gonna have some fun with a secret car. And we're gonna come have some fun in the snow. And see how it handles. Whoa. And see how it handles. Because I'd like to see how the secret car handles in the snow. There's an XP sign right here that I would like to get. Uh-oh. Jump. You know what? I'm going in automatic mode. I cannot stand this thing. In manual. So let's go. Woo! Okay, now we're just gonna go have some fun on top of the mountain. So I'm gonna drive to the mountain peak. So let's go to the mountain peak. It's a waypoint. Whoa. Slide down this. Okay, we're gonna watch that again. Slowly. Okay, so it got stuck. We'll do it again. Okay, that didn't work. Let's give it some speed. I know not many trucks are going to be able to do this. And it's not working anymore. Nah. Okay, we're gonna watch this thing climb to the peak. Oh my gosh, this thing is doing it. It's driving straight up the mountain. We're gonna try to come up this hill right here, and then we're gonna come all the way down the mountain. I'm gonna go back to the festival and get the secret car that I was telling you guys about that I was gonna bring out at the end. Uh-oh. And you guys might be surprised what kind of car it is. Well, I guess that's not gonna work, so jump. No, I'm just gonna fast travel here. Man, that blizzard was intense. Okay, you guys are gonna be a little surprised on what I'm gonna bring out right now. It has nothing but power and craziness. And here it comes. Bow, bow, da. The Lamborghini Huracan, Roman Atwood, wrapped. With 1,000, and if you're new to the channel, it has 1,515 horsepower. You'll see a little bit more in normal, where it's normally made for.
You sure you don't want me to put snow tires on that for you?
What are the snow tires free?
Hey boss, you'll probably find it easier if I put snow tires on the car. Come back to the garage, I'll get you fixed up.
Are they free? Please tell me the snow tires are free. What? They're $10,000. No, thank you. I didn't even do anything. No, I don't want that. So after this, and I'm going to show you what it's going to do. And then we're going to end the video, and I'm going to load this up on YouTube. my gosh. This thing is so hard to control. This thing is so hard to control. This thing is so hard to control. Uh-oh. Maybe I should have snow tires on this thing. Uh-oh. This is not the best thing in the world to be doing right now. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Come on. Oh my gosh, 4GT. No, okay. Uh-oh. Okay, well that's gonna be the end for this video. I know that was not what I wanted at all. But I'll see you in another video. So bye, peace, see you later. Put a thumbs up. Go subscribe to Roman Atlas and Tomcat 9707 channel. And I hope you guys will do a thumbs up and thumbs up to subscribe to this channel. Please and thank you. Bye.